Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y35 and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration settings on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Sound section. Then scroll down again, tap on Vibrate Vocals and select one of those options to set up the best one for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. I will go with always vibrate. When you're ready, tap on the back button. Now tap on this switcher next to notification vibration to switch it off or on. Scroll down and click on this one next to charging sounds and vibration to disable or enable this feature. Following that, you can also switch on or off vibrations when the other party answers or hands up by tapping on this switcher here. And lastly, click on this one to switch off or on haptic feedback for tap, keyboard, and more. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!